Welcome to another Bandlab tutorial, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make your voice sound from this.
Baby go, cause me young. Baby come to kiss me. I'm ready, mama, your love. Give me kiss.
To something like this.
Baby go, cause me young. Baby come to kiss me. I'm ready, mama, your love. Baby come, baby come. Give me one kiss, give me one kiss. Baby come, baby show me your love. Give me kiss, give me kiss.
This type of vocals are called vox, and they are mainly used as backup vocals, not as the main lead vocals. And this is how it sounds in a complete song.
Baby go, kiss me. Baby come kiss me. Kiss me. Baby come kiss me. Kiss me. Baby come kiss me. Kiss me.
Now let me show you how to make your voice sound like this. But first, listen to the raw vocals again.
Baby go, cause me young. Baby come to kiss me. I'm ready, mama, your love.
Now the first thing you want to add is your auto tune, and for auto tune I've made a separate tutorial on how to use the auto tune in Bandlab in case you are new to Bandlab. That can actually help you use the auto tune very well in Bandlab. So let's add our auto tune. As for the auto tune, you just gotta click on classic, and you come and choose the key of the song. The artist is on D major, so let's click on D major. But if you don't know the key of the song, just click on auto detect key. You can watch my previous tutorial on how to use the auto-tune on Bandlab effectively, and that will really help you understand the auto-tune very well. So the first effect I added was noise gate, and for the noise gate I reduced the attack to 20% and the threshold to 44%.
Baby come to kiss me. I'm ready, mama, your love.
The next thing I added was the multi-filter, and for the multi-filter I reduced the frequencies to 1940 and I left the resonant and the other things the way they are. Don't forget your mix is not complete without reverb, and for the reverb I reduced the mix down to 30%. I left the tone the way it was and I reduced the size down to 9%.
Baby go, cause me young. Baby come to kiss me. I'm ready, mama, your love.
I added the graphic EQ, made some adjustment, and here is what I did. I reduced the first knob to the lowest, and I reduced the second one to -8 dB. And I increased the third one to 3 dB. If I'm told to explain this in a simple term, I will just say I reduced the low end and I increased the mid and the high ends. Just make sure you're paying attention so you get to understand everything clearly. Now this is what it sounds like after you've reduced the lows.
Baby go, cause me young. Baby come to kiss me. I'm ready, mama, your love.
The next effect I added was the FBK compressor, and I reduced the attack and also increased the release knob just a little. I also did some adjustment on the threshold, the ratio, and the gain. I reduced the threshold, but I increased the gain and the ratio.
Baby go, cause me young. Baby come to kiss me.
Now the next effect you need is de-esser to reduce the SSS from the vocals. The next effect you need to add is delay, and for the delay you don't want the timing to be too much, so you have to reduce the time and also reduce the feedback. And I'll leave the feedback at 5% because I don't want it to be too high. And now let's also reduce the high pass because we just have to reduce it a little, not much. Then we'll go to the low pass and reduce the low pass because our major focus here is how to filter away the lows. So our focus is how to make the highs sound much more better. I will also reduce the dry level and the wet level. Then I'll leave the volume knob the way it is. Don't touch the volume knob. To make things more interesting, after adding delay, you come and add delay plus. So delay plus is different from delay. So the first one is delay, while this one is delay plus. So for this, you do almost the same thing, the timing, we'll leave the timing as 1/4 beat, then we'll leave the feedback at 20% also. So let's just come down and let's reduce the wet level. This is how you mix your vocals to get that Vox sound.
Baby, go, kiss me, young. Baby, come to kiss me. Kiss me. I'm really my mind. Baby, come kiss me. Baby, come. Kiss me. Give me one kiss. Baby, come kiss me. Baby, come. Kiss me.